My yoga mat just came in now. Una think say I dey joke. I know they play with this thing. Oh. they gave me a gift. I don't know what this thing is. Maybe it's something you can tie on your head. Yeah, this is the rope to carry the mat, and this is the mat itself. Wow.
봄의 향기를 담은 그대를 보며 그냥 웃음만 짓게 돼. Don't know what to say. You are just like one spring day. 설레임을 주는 걸 언젠가부터였을까. 기다림의 끝에 너를 만났고 모든 게 새로 느껴져. Something in my heart 이 맘 전하고 싶어.
It's time for breakfast. And this is what I'm having this morning. 2 slices of whole wheat bread and half of an avocado. And here is my green tea. So I'm going to add half of the milk, the pig evaporated milk here, just half of it. I don't drink the whole can. Add some honey, mix everything, and I'm good to go. This combination is super delicious. You need to try green tea with pig milk. It's so good. So good. Yep, my breakfast is ready. I'm going to dig in. Father, we thank you for the provision. I pray that you provide for those that do not have anything to eat. As I eat, let it be to the nourishment of my body. In Jesus' name. Amen. Let's dig in. Yummy, yummy, yummy in my tummy. I'm doing you longer throat. Go and make your own. Oh, ciao. So this thing just came in now from Amazon. It's a smoothie blender. And this is the extra bottle that came with it, which means I have 3 bottles. 1, 2, and 3. There's 2 here. Extra one and the machine. And then again I have this. This is just a water bottle for my hydration. I want to be drinking even more than what I used to drink before, so I bought this bottle for that. So I'm currently cleaning it with this alcohol wipes. So that's what I'm doing now.
It's my love, yeah, down. Oh, no, no.
So I bought this blender for smoothie just because summer is here and the more fruits are coming out now, so I want to be drinking my fruits a lot more. I don't really like chewing my fruits, so that's why I bought this, so that I can pack everything in the blender and blend it into a smoothie. And I enjoy drinking my smoothie. Like, I love smoothies so much. Oh wow. This is what the bottle looks like. Wow. This is so cool. Can you see that? Look at that. I'm loving it already. It looks so beautiful. Wow. And you can sip from here. Not sipping, sha. You can drink from here. Wow. Okay. So I'm going to wash it properly and rinse it with hot or warm water, because I read that you cannot pour hot water in this thing. So I'm going to rinse it with warm water so that it doesn't melt it. It's not for hot water. Okay, I'm going to wash it properly, rinse it with warm water, and then I will fill it with water. This is what I'm going to be drinking throughout the whole day. Yeah.
Day, my beginning, the day as bright as the sun. Come, won't you come along? And it feels so bright, it's like luck is raining on me. Go and follow your heart, doesn't matter how far. There is so much love to give, something's telling me this time. Baby, baby, now I know. Baby, baby, gotta go. There is so much love to give, telling me it's right. When you came to me, oh, I knew it's you, yeah, boy. The one who showed me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again. All day, oh yeah, all day. Please stay in my arms, boy. The one who showed me if we're together. It don't matter if it rains. All day, oh yeah, all day. As long as you're in my arms, boy. On this beautiful day, and it's smiling, holding on to your tight. I guess our hearts cannot lie, and it feels so bright. It's like your love has gotten to me. Go and follow your heart, doesn't matter how far. I can see it now, it's creeping your eyes. No way to keep everything inside. Baby, baby, now I know. Baby, baby, gotta go. There is so much love to give, something's telling me it's right. When you came to me, oh, I knew it's you, yeah, boy. The one who showed me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again. All day, oh yeah, all day. Please stay in my arms, boy. The one who showed me if we're together. It don't matter if it rains. All day, oh yeah, all day. As long as you're in my arms, boy.
Yes, our hydration is here. I love the handle, honestly. I love the fact that you can just grab it like so. Testing the mic. 1, 2. This is so good. I wish they paid me to advertise this product for them, but it's so good. I love the, like, it's so comfy. Okay, that's the simple word. Very comfy. Nice. If I'm thirsty, whether I'm thirsty or not, I'll just come and grab it, open it, and close it. Go and grab yours from Amazon. Okay, just type hydration bottle. I don't even know the name. I was just searching and I came across this one. The one I was looking for, I didn't see it, so I had to go for this one because it's beautiful. This is 2.2 liters, by the way, but the water I poured here is just 2 liters, so it couldn't fill it up. But yeah, before the end of today, I would have finished this one. Bye bye to this one. I'm going to go and keep this one back in the kitchen. This one makes noise at night because I love to drink water at night. So when I open it to drink water, it will be making noise. Check, wait, check, wait, check, wait. But with this one now, No more noise.